here at Tunnel View. We tried to stop by the Bridal Veil Fall, but the entrance was blocked. But we can see Bridal Veil Fall over there. And this kind of tells you how Yosemite was made. So the granite was there, and then it was covered in ice. And as it started melting slowly, it made this V-shaped valley here that we see today. Oh, after over there, Jud. And this talks about the tunnel view.
And there's a bug.
Yeah, there's a bug here to say hello to us. Say hello to Walking Introvert channel members. A little Yosemite bug.
I've never seen that bug.
Yeah. So I guess they used to come here in horse and chariot for many days. And they found this view. Let's go check it out. I think the viewpoint over there, Vista Point, has the best view for the tunnel view area. Lock my car. Many people are trying to stop by here since it's so popular and it's so nice. Let's go check it out. You're allowed to bring service animals here, but not the regular, just pets. No pets allowed. This is the tunnel that we came out of when we first came in. And let's check out the tunnel view here. Here we are. The top of the mountain over there touching the clouds. I see Half Dome over there. And the Bridal Veil Fall. Yeah, we didn't get to go under because the entrance was under construction. And we can still see snow on top of the mountains. And a lot of tourists like us taking pictures. Yeah, pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm. Right here.
Yeah, so basically we are here. We're here looking at it. Do you see the Half Dome over there?
Yeah, this is
Yes, that's what we see. And then we see the valley. This is like a 3D map of the Yosemite
Have I
Valley.
ever been to Half Dome?
No, we've never been there. Yeah, because the hiking is kind of tough. It takes all day to get there.
I love these little copper things.
The copper 3D maps.
Yeah.
Yeah, so nice. So right behind the Tunnel View Vista Point, there's this small trail. I thought it was a small trail, but it's actually take you to Glacier Point if you keep going up. So the inspiration point, excuse me, is 1.3 Niue Point 5.1, Glacier Point if you want to go all the way up there, 13 miles, and no pets allowed. We're not gonna go all the way up, so we're gonna get going, but let's see what's up there.
Look at that. There's water falling
Okay.
from.
Is it gonna be safe to walk there, Judd?
No.
The wet area? No, the wet area.
No, I didn't. Step
Even
on
if it's not wet, it's still smooth. Just
Survive.
yeah, that's how.
The deer.
Not very safe. Okay, no, that this way.
I already went there.
We're gonna go this way a little bit and then come back down.
I let someone try to stack rocks. But I fell down.
Yeah. Okay. If you keep going, you can go to the glacier
I
point.
know, I know.
But it's 30 miles. It takes about 8 hours, they said.
8 hours?
Yeah.
Okay, 8 hours.
Well, depends on how fast you hike. But like regular person, I think about 8 hours from here. We're just gonna go up a little bit. We're not going all the way up.
But
A very rocky trail here. So make sure you're not wearing sandals or anything if you ever come here. Okay.
whoa, that one's right here's beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful here. It's beautiful everywhere here. You wanna go this way a little bit? Let's go up this way.
Off trail. I'm not off trail. It's still on trail.
More moss here. Soft moss. There's a Grotto Vale waterfall there. Okay, we'll stop over there before the turn and then come back down. Look at here, Jed. This is a real tunnel view right here.